So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Python programs into the software that you can use on your Windows. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply search for the CMD in the start menu. Inside the CMD, first of all, type pip install py installer. Once you do it and hit enter, you'll notice that this this module is installed on your system. It will take some time and you need to connect it to the internet. Now, once you do it, you need to type this prompt again that says py installer space dash dash one file space main.py. You need to replace this main with the name of your file that you want to convert to the software. And once you do it, hit enter. It will take some time and it will generate a exe file out of that Python script.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.